Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete a listing on VRBO. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are a host on VRBO and want to delete your listing, what you need to do is first head over and open up your VRBO app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged in, here what you need to do is navigate to the host section and tap on manage listings or listings. This will show you the properties that you have listed. Tap on the listing that you want to remove from the platform. In the listing details, look for an option that says manage listing or edit listing. Scroll to find the remove listing or delete listing option. If you can find delete option, it might be listed under deactivate or unpublished. You may be prompted to confirm that you want to delete the listing. Confirm that you wish to permanently delete it. Be aware that deleting a listing is permanent and you won't be able to recover it afterward. If you have any upcoming bookings, you will need to either cancel them or offer guest alternative arrangements. Be mindful of VRBO's cancellation policies to avoid penalties or bad reviews. Notify any current guests about the deletion of the listing and confirm any changes with them. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.